Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you recently picked up a GameSir G7 Pro wireless controller and want to use it with your Xbox console, getting the pairing process right is essential for a smooth gaming experience. Wireless connection issues are usually caused by pairing mode problems, low battery levels, or synchronization delays between the GameSir G7 Pro wireless and the Xbox. Fortunately, connecting the controller is generally quick and doesn't require complicated settings. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple steps that can help you pair your GameSir G7 Pro wireless with your Xbox and start playing without interruptions. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the GameSir G7 Pro wireless controller. Step 2. Power up the Xbox console that will be used with the GameSir G7 Pro wireless. Step 3. Activate pairing mode on the GameSir G7 Pro wireless. Step 4. Start the synchronization process on the Xbox for the GameSir G7 Pro wireless. Step 5. Wait for the connection indicators on the GameSir G7 Pro wireless to stabilize. Step 6. Test gameplay inputs from the GameSir G7 Pro wireless to confirm a successful connection.